Data foundation. AT&T was founded in 1885 as the American Telephone and Telegraph Company, with the mission of building and operating the long-distance telephone network in the United States. Current CEO. Since July 2020, AT&T's CEO has been John Stankey. Previously, he served as the company's president and COO, and also as CEO of Warner Media. Market sector. AT&T operates in the telecommunications sector, offering voice, video, data, and internet services to consumers, businesses, and government agencies. The company has subsidiaries such as AT&T Mobility and Sky Brasil Serviços Ltda. Net revenue. In Q1 2025, AT&T reported revenue of $30.6 billion, representing a 2% increase compared to the same period of the previous year. Dividends paid. AT&T maintains a consistent history of dividend payments. In 2025, the company's dividend yield is around 3.99%. Price-to-earnings ratio, PE. Currently, AT&T's PE ratio is 16.92, representing a deviation of 6.59% compared to its historical average PE. Cash flow. In Q1 2025, AT&T reported operating cash flow of $9 billion, up from $7.5 billion in the same period of the previous year. Free cash flow, which accounts for capital expenditures, reached $3.1 billion, a 13% increase compared to Q1 2024. Debt level. AT&T is operating within its target net leverage ratio, driven by debt reduction and positive outlooks. The company holds long-term credit ratings of Ba2 Moody's, BBB S&P, and BBB Plus Fitch, all with stable or positive outlooks. Company overview. Founded 1885 as American Telephone and Telegraph Company. A headquarters, Dallas, Texas, USA. The CEO, John Stankey, since July 2020. Industry, telecommunications. A ticker symbol, NYC. Business model. AT&T operates through two primary business segments. 1. Communications. Provides wireless and wireline telecom and broadband services to consumers and businesses in the U.S. 2. Latin America. Offers wireless services and equipment in Mexico and video entertainment services in Latin America. The company's revenue streams are diversified across mobile services, broadband internet, and enterprise solutions. AT&T has invested heavily in expanding its 5G network and fiber infrastructure to enhance service quality and coverage. SWOT analysis. Strengths. Extensive network infrastructure supporting widespread service coverage. A strong brand recognition and customer loyalty. A diversified service offerings across wireless, broadband, and enterprise solutions. Weaknesses. A high debt levels due to past acquisitions. A challenges in integrating and managing diverse business units. Opportunities. Expansion of 5G services and fiber broadband. A growing demand for enterprise connectivity solutions. Threats. Intense competition from other telecom providers. Regulatory changes impacting operations. Market positioning and competitors. AT&T is one of the leading telecommunications companies in the U.S., competing with major players such as a Verizon Communications Inc., a T-Mobile US Inc., a Comcast Corporation, a Charter Communications Inc. These competitors offer a range of services and continually invest in network infrastructure, technology advancements, and customer satisfaction to challenge AT&T's market position. Historical performance. As of June 6, 2025, AT&T stock closed at $28.08. The stock has experienced fluctuations over the years, influenced by market conditions, strategic decisions, and industry trends. Dividend sustainability. AT&T has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. As of 2025, the company's dividend yield stands at approximately 4.05%, with a payout ratio of 68.1%, indicating a sustainable dividend policy. Valuation versus peers. AT&T's valuation metrics compared to industry peers. A price-to-earnings (PE) ratio 17.2x. Enterprise value/revenue 2.9x. Enterprise value/EBITDA 8x. Our PEG ratio 2.1x. These metrics suggest that AT&T is valued reasonably in comparison to its peers, considering its earnings and growth prospects. Risks and opportunities. Risks are regulatory changes that could impact operations and profitability. Rapid technological advancements requiring continuous investment. A market saturation in certain segments, leading to limited growth. Opportunities. Expansion into emerging markets with growing demand for telecom services. A development of new technologies and services to meet evolving customer needs. Strategic partnerships and acquisitions to enhance service offerings. Conclusion. AT&T remains a significant player in the telecommunications industry, with a robust infrastructure and a diverse range of services. While the company faces challenges such as high debt levels and intense competition, its strategic investments in 5G and fiber networks position it well for future growth. The sustainable dividend policy and reasonable valuation metrics make AT&T an attractive option for investors seeking stable returns in the telecom sector.